Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another lecture. So we're gonna do here a quick video. So what I've done is I've added two more or three more posts. So you can do that yourself. I don't want to waste your time. And if you see here, the last post I did is post number 4. So what I want to do is, so I have the pagination now. Before, because it only was 1, there's no reason for it. And by the way, the pagination, if you remember, we have done it in the pages controller. So now here we only have paginate 3. So what we can do, I just gonna comment this one so in order you to know the steps. So I'm gonna say posts equal to post. Now I just wanted to order the result by the ID, and I want to do that by descending. And also I just want to attach the paginate of 3 as I had before, because if I had like 6 or 7 results here, I will change this one so you can do it yourself. Now if I refresh here it is. I have the latest post 4, post 3, and that was the new one, and that's pretty much it. So that was a very quick lecture. So you have learned how you can order now your results by descending or ascending. Ascending, it will return the initial result. So the last one, the first one will remain the first one here, right? The first one from the first one that we've put it here, it will be the first one that will be showed here. And that was before. So by default they're like that, but now we just want to change our logic. So thank you very much for watching this lecture, and I'm not sure what we're gonna do next part. I mean how far I want to bring this intro part for you guys, but we are mostly done with this. So if you don't see me doing more lectures about this, then you can also look at the lectures that will follow, meaning that we will do something else, but maybe we're not gonna work on this application because at the moment we do have everything that what we need. So it's going to the logout, everything is working, logout, registration. What else we do? So authentication is working. At the moment you can't see the posts, which is something cool, and you can view the post. That's pretty much it. Now I will see you in the next lecture. I hope you enjoyed this one, so you learn how to do ordering and pagination in the same time. Thank you and see you soon.